Become who you are. Nietzsche's call to become who you are is a rallying cry for individuality and self-actualization. In this statement, he encourages individuals to break free from societal expectations, traditions, and external pressures, and instead to embrace their authentic self. Nietzsche suggests that each person is born with unique potential, and it is their duty to realize and express this potential fully. This quote reflects Nietzsche's overarching philosophy of self-overcoming, where true fulfillment comes not from conforming to the norms of the world, but from embracing and cultivating one's own unique identity and purpose. The journey of becoming who you are is not an easy one. It requires constant self-examination, struggle, and transformation. But it is, according to Nietzsche, the only path to a life of true meaning and authenticity.